Hi students, welcome to Unit 1. This video is going to be an overview. You'll find similar videos each week that review sort of the overall requirements for each unit, giving you any kind of clarification that I find might be a little bit ambivalent or not super clear. So that's one of the ways I'd like to start out each unit, is to clarify any of those types of questionable directives. So basically, in the above introductory video, I gave you an idea of the layout of the course. This particular unit will cover specifics such as introducing yourself. You'll want to read the syllabus. But overall, when you open up or toggle open the unit, you will find the objectives up top for each unit. The first thing you'll do in each unit is click on Unit 1 Instructions to find out what's required for the week. These basically explain to you exactly what you want to begin with. Obviously, reading the syllabus, viewing the videos. I posted a video under the resources. That usually, this area, resources, is usually specific inspirational videos or any type of resource that might support your obtaining the objectives for that particular unit. Okay, graded assignments. These are all due by Sunday midnight, and those will normally be in a category under Unit 1 Submit Post Here, due at Sunday midnight. Pretty obvious there, but you'll want to complete the icebreaker forum. The icebreaker forum is just introducing yourself. You can share whatever you'd like to, talk about why you chose graphic design. Also, you may want to take this Which Font Describes Your Personality test, just a small little quiz talking about what font might describe you, and of course you want to talk about if the results were accurate or inaccurate and why. That would be a nice way to meet your peers here in the online environment. Next, you want to do good to poor typography use. This is a forum that has you observing typography in your immediate environment, whether it be maybe you go to a restaurant with a family member or a friend and you notice a sign or a menu that there's some issues. Take a picture of it. That could be a great example. Another idea is if you're sifting through a magazine, or if you're at the doctor's office looking through a magazine, or if you notice some banner online, take a screen capture, take a picture of something. Share that. You want to do 2 examples, one of good use and another of poor use. Talk about why and respond to 2 of your classmates with thoughtful feedback. I want to know why you feel it's a good use and why you feel it's poor use. We're going to start to pump up our critical thinking skills and trying to identify what types of context you should use certain types of fonts. And we're going to dive into that in more detail starting in Unit 2. Lastly, we have the history of type, an overview, PDF overview here. You want to view that PDF. It's pretty long. We can't really understand context and using typography correctly unless we understand its evolution. So that's a great piece that we'd like to read before we really begin any of our exercises or any of our course content for this course. We want to understand the history of type first. And then you'll take a little quiz on it. It is obviously open book because you are at your computer doing that. I believe there are 2 attempts to this quiz and that's it. And it is not timed. So complete that by Sunday midnight. Those are the 3 things that are due. And if you have questions, I am more than happy to answer any questions. Again, my office hours are above. Just let me know. And I hope you all have a productive and happy week. See you in the next Unit 2 video.